Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of Yonaka parts. I just want to thank everybody that showed love to my last video. If you haven't watched that video, the link will be in the description. First I'm going to start off with their aluminum radiator, dual core. I already opened it up when I got it, but when it came with the radiator itself. It came with a high polish finish. It also came with a license plate frame, 2 stickers, and a beanie from Yonaka. Next up here I have their B and D aluminum mounts. Which also comes with a Yonaka license plate frame. Inside the box comes 2 separate boxes. Box number 1, they're labeled EK1. Inside this box comes with their social media sticker. Another beanie. A lanyard. And the actual mount itself is packaged in this bag. This is the driver's side mount that goes onto the motor. As you can see, it's in. Once again, these are the aluminum finished ones. These are not the regular ones. I went for the higher grade ones for more durability. It says Yonaka right across it. This is the first one. And in the second box, it says EK2 and 3 on it. And this box is separated. It's got a whole bunch of packing peanuts. It also comes with the mount inside of another dust bag. This is the mount, the aluminum finish, has Yonaka written across. The third mount. Right here, it's got Yonaka written along the bottom. Put this all away. Here I got Yonaka's race spec coilovers. The specs for these are 12K fronts with 18K rears. Gotta open this box up real quick. And inside this box comes with another license plate frame. Comes with the tools needed so you can adjust your coilovers. Comes with a Yonaka Motorsports hat. And it also came with a Yonaka Motorsports t-shirt. Along with the lanyard and their social media card. This is the shirt. Let me open it up for you. And also came with 2 Yonaka Motorsports stickers. One in black and in white. Here's what the coilovers look like. This is their race spec coilover. Unlike their normal coilovers, which are orange and black, these are black with the blue and gold. Once, like I said earlier, these come in 12K fronts and 18K rears. Another thing that came inside the box was hardware. Nuts. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you why I decided to go with Yonaka in the first place. One, their coilovers were recommended to me by a friend, but when my friend was speaking about them, they were talking about their base coilovers, which are black and orange. They said that the coilovers were really reliable and made out of high quality products. 2, I chose to go with the rest of the stuff because as I was searching for my coilovers for my vehicle, I looked and seen their other products that they had for my vehicle and seen that they came for a great price. Their customer service was phenomenal. They reached out to me within an hour of me contacting them when I had an issue with one of my orders, and the orders all came within 5 days of purchasing them from their website. I will leave their link in the description of all the parts that I got so you guys can see for yourself. Got the coilover in with the brand new Yonaka B series axle. So it looks like from the top. Alright guys, I just want to thank you all for watching the video. Here's a snippet of the next video which I am working on, which will be the motor install. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.